here the leader section on the ways. And then thank you for understand me and then connecting the people and then connecting the English here.
He speaks very well, very good.
I think more easy than language.
Yeah, not other people here.
Better I speak English than Aceh English. I can understand everything about Aceh, but in English I can't speak it.
Never mind, because Mr. Firman now I got some information about the Kapolda di Jambi. There is ever been to I'm in the Malang. There is the district 5 2 and Kunto Ariwibowo, the son of Wakil President during Soeharto. And then Kunto said to me, you have to meet with someone, the big boss. Please going to Jakarta. There is have my brother in Jakarta. The Firman no, I got some information. The Kapolda Jambi. Kapolda Jambi now in myself. By
so, sir, can I ask you, what is your main job in here? Are you English teacher or from Disub?
No, I am Disub only because I have ever been in
But
Bali.
he said if you are English teacher, so
yeah,
it's very get different perception in my mind.
Yeah, my mind for the conversation with someone. If the big boss here sometimes can understand me. You please if understand me like the Bupati Ayub Abua, and then I have ever been to try my English long the time in the room in Bupati. That is the Jotring community.
Try learn at home.
Ota the best friend myself sometimes to
because
play
if we
English.
want to speak English language well, we have to practice that.
For other time, I would like to enjoy with you everywhere, and then not speak Indonesian more, only English with myself. Okay?
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
It's easy to me.
Yeah.
Better than saying Aceh English because
Thank you. You
I
are
can
connecting
speak
to myself.
I can speak Aceh. English. I'm from Malang. I'm from East Java.
Just not to say in the Malang, the Bupati Malang, Majen Ahamin Pamit Mahmud. I stay in Malang. There is the home Kalimosodo. Yeah.
You know him?
Yeah, I know him. The Majen Ahamin Mahmud, Bupati Malang. 2 period. Yeah. Yeah. Never mind for the language. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your attention, myself. Goodbye. See you later. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.